student, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. I'm Pooja Tripathi and today we are going to learn about adjectives. Adjectives are also called describing words. So what are adjectives? Adjectives are the words that describe the quality of the noun or pronoun. So the words that describe the quality of noun and pronoun, they are known as adjectives. They provide information about the size, color, number, shape and other good or bad qualities of the person, place, animal or thing. So जो भी हमें noun की quality, it could be its size, color, number or shape, ये सारी चीजें बताते हैं. They are called the adjectives. Here you can see Rakhi is a chubby girl. So what kind of girl is Rakhi? Here the noun is Rakhi. So what kind of girl is Rakhi? Chubby. So chubby is adjective. Jack is a black dog. So what kind of dog it is? Black. So black is adjective. This is a big building. So big is adjective here. Clear? Next you can see she wears a yellow frock. So what is the color of frock? Yellow. So yellow is adjective. David is tall and lean boy. So what kind of boy is David? Tall and lean. So tall and lean, these words are describing David. उसके बारे में बता रहे हैं. So these are adjectives. This is a brown bread. So brown is adjective here. In the above statement, the word chubby, black, big, yellow, tall, lean, brown, all these are adjective because they describe the noun. So all these words are adjective here. Clear? Next is bear in mind. Adjectives are also called descriptive words. Adjective को हम descriptive words भी कहते हैं because जो describe करते हैं उसके बारे में बताते हैं. So that's why they are called descriptive words. Next is read the following describing words. So here the list of some describing words given here like hot, sour, ugly, smart, old, young, beautiful, strong, small, rich, intelligent, near, tall, big, sweet, weak, poor, cold. All these words are describing words. Now, the position of adjectives. So, an adjectives is generally used before a noun. Noun से पहले हम use करते हैं generally. Like, Mr. Gupta is a tall man. So, यहाँ पे man is a noun. So, उससे पहले आया है tall. What kind of man Mr. Gupta is? Tall man. So, tall is adjective here. An adjective can also appear after the verb. Verb के बाद भी आ सकता है. Like here you can see. Mr. Sunil is an honest man. Clear? Mr. Sunil कैसे हैं? Mr. Sunil is an honest man. So, here you can see. What kind of man he is? Honest. So, helping verb के बाद आया है. Clear? So, इस तरीके से position हो सकती है. It could be before noun. It could be after the verb. Now, next is, let's practice. Identify and underline the adjective in the following sentences. आपको identify करना है और underline करना है adjectives को. Mouse is a small animal. So, what kind of animal is mouse? Small. So, small is an adjective here. Clear? तो इस तरीके से आप सारे adjectives underline करेंगे. Next is fill in the blanks using suitable adjectives from the bracket. Stones are hard and rough. So, correct adjective क्या हो जाएगा? Hard. Next is match each adjectives with noun. Adjective को noun से match करना है. Green, leaf. Clear? तो इस तरीके से आप match करेंगे. Next is activity time. Let's see what's the activity. So, here you have to construct a sentence about each picture using adjectives. Like you can see the picture of an elephant here. You can see, you can write elephant is big. It has long trunk. तो इस तरीके से आप describe कर सकते हैं. So, you have to write the sentences using the adjectives. Clear? Now describe and guess. So material needed, what are the material needed here? A small bag with the different objects, like it could be a toy, book, apple, ball, spoon, कुछ भी object हो सकता है. Now let's see how to play this game. So here one student picked the object from the bag. एक स्टूडेंट बैग में से कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट पिक करेगा विदाउट शोइंग इट टू अदर स्टूडेंट. द स्टूडेंट डिस्क्राइब द ऑब्जेक्ट यूजिंग एडजेक्टिव. उस जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट है उसको डिस्क्राइब करेगा, लाइक इट इज राउंड इन शेप, इट इज रेड इन कलर, इट इज जूसी, एंड विदाउट नेमिंग इट. एंड द अदर स्टूडेंट हैव टू गेस द नेम of that object correctly. So the student who guesses it correctly gets the turn to describe the next object. So this fun activity help you to understand adjective in a very fun way. Clear? इस एक्टिविटी से आपको समझ में आएगा किस तरीके से आप चीज़ों को डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड का यूज करके एडजेक्टिव का यूज करके डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं. Clear? So here we end the chapter. I hope all the concepts are clear. Now to practice it.